Hi pet owners and cat lovers. With me today I have a cat self-grooming brush. It is super easy to use and so much fun for our cats. Now we noticed they were rubbing against the wall and getting it super dirty, so this definitely solved both problems. As you can see, the base right here has a 90-degree angle, so it fits perfectly on every single corner of the house. You can choose a wall and go ahead and install it. You can choose either adhesive or to go ahead and screw it into the wall, up to you. And whenever you're ready, here is the brush itself. As you can see, there are little holes in here. That is where you can add catnip to really attract your cats to try it out. And then you can just pop this into place and have your cats come on over and rub themselves against this. It is such a great device and I really adore it. My cats do too, and it keeps our walls clean while giving them a way to brush their little heads against it. I absolutely adore this and urge you as a pet owner to check this out on Amazon.